decided to go via walk till we find any taxi or a lift, because standing over there is not helping us. And let's see एक कार आ रही है और वो रुकती है या नहीं. He's asking for a lift.
Taxi? We're going to Almaty.
Almaty.
It's yes.
Yandex.
Firstly, one person 1,000.
हाँ
Okay.
वो यही बोल रहा था.
I will be at that.
Can I sit? Okay, you can sit in the front.
Front में अच्छा okay. Finally, we got a taxi.
First, please jump up.
So he told us you can get a taxi from 1,000 tenge, and from there, and
Yeah.
you can get a Yandex over from there Yandex.
Yeah.
Thank you, brother. I want to go Isaac Lake and Isaac Lake.
Tubian Waterfall.
And how much will you charge?
It's Isaac Lake, Tubian Waterfall, and the museum Golden Man.
Okay.
Three place, three location. It's 50,000 tenge.
Yeah.
Charing Canyon, Kursai Lake, Blake
Cherian Canyon and Isaac Lake.
Only those two. Only.
So only
Those
two. We
How
have
much?
Charing and the Isaac Lake.
Yes.
Yeah, those two only. I don't like the other ones.
Yeah.
70.
70.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ
Okay.
That's a lot.
Tickets including.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can give us your contact number and we will contact you.
Yeah, you cannot see. No, not unless you pay there. In Philippines we have,
In India also we have,
but you don't have to pay.
no,
we have to pay.
Oh, see?
but it's
Yeah.
very cheap. It's very cheap. 10 rupees only. 10 rupees, right?
You will learn one thing about India. But one day. One day.
You know it's Indian if they do this.
Yeah. If anyone is doing this, you will get to know that he is Indian.
And their accent actually is very
Yeah.
This one?
No, it's green Toyota.
It will be green color. Toyota.
Look at this in the car.
अब smoke देखियो.
Do this.
Beautiful.
It's like we're smoking.
Yeah. What is this park? हाँ?
उसको बुला रही है.
ये पार्क का नाम क्या है? ग्रीन नहीं, प्रेसिडेंट सेंट्रल पार्क. इट इज सेंट्रल पार्क.
कुछ भी हो पहुंच गए बस.
यहाँ पे हम लोग ने लिया. यहाँ से हमें यांडेक्स मिलेगा क्योंकि हम जो लोकेशन पे थे वहाँ से हमें नहीं मिल रहा था, बट यहाँ से मिल रहा है.
Make it like this.
अच्छा ओके. once more.
No more.
सो फ्रॉम हेयर हम लोग यांडेक्स बुक कर रहे हैं और इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट में जा रहे हैं. राशा जो है उसको भी इंडियन फूड का टेस्ट करवाएंगे क्योंकि उसने बोला है कि फिलीपींस में खाया है उसने, बट लेट्स सी.
And we are planning to leave early morning, like 6 o'clock in the morning, and we will go to Isaac Lake and Cherian Canyon. I don't know what
How to pronounce that?
and they're asking for 50,000 tenge. I don't have enough money. I'm
50
bimbo.
or 70? He was saying 7.
That is good. Yeah, 70,000 tenge.
Yeah, 70,000.
And I'm bimbo right now. I don't have money.
But we will ask for discount. For
you
sure.
know what's the meaning of bimbo? Bimbo का मतलब पता है?
Dumb.
गरीब है हम दोनों.
Okay.
मैं स्विच करना भूल जाता हूँ. इंग्लिश से हिंदी में कब स्विच करना है, इंग्लिश से जापानीज में कब स्विच करना है और जापानीज से हिंदी में कब स्विच करना है.
या तो इसकी बैटरी ऑफ हो रही है, अपने आप टर्न ऑफ हो सकता है. कल भी यही चीज़ हुई थी. रात में मैं ब्लॉग करते एकदम से कर रहा था तो मैं शूट नहीं कर पाया था. तो हम लोग यहाँ से इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट जाएंगे, वहाँ पे खाएंगे. तो वहाँ पे अगर इसकी बैटरी हुई और चार्ज करने का तो मैं बताऊँगा और राशा का फीडबैक भी लूँगा.
मैंने बोला ना मैं गरीब हूँ इसलिए मेरे पास एक्स्ट्रा बैटरी नहीं है इसकी, वरना 3-4 बैटरी रखता.
या मेरे पास तो ये भी नहीं है ना. ओके बाय.
इसकी EMI अभी भी चल रही है.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
सब लोग इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट में आए अभी. This is the ambience. So we have ordered, as we both are, I and Himanshu are vegetarian, so we have ordered kadai paneer, tandoor butter, and butter naan, and it's chicken tikka
Krishna and Radha.
masala for Asha.
Not that one, on the wall. So, if you go deeply into that, it's a very different topic and it will take a lot of time.
But
to
there's some
explain.
Indians who's Christian.
Sorry?
But there's some Indians who's Christian.
Yes, yeah. You will find each and every religion in India. Buddhism, Christian, Hinduism, Muslim. Delhi, you will find the Israelis temple.
They are discussing about the religions, like how many type of religions we have in India.
Yes, we are. We are.
Is it on your list? My list is on Jordan. You know?
Yes, I know. I have been to Israeli temples once. In Delhi only.
So before my GoPro batteries runs out, do you wanna rate the food, Indian food?
It's
How is
really
it?
good. Yeah.
What do you
This
like?
one,
Like
the tikka.
chicken masala. You know?
Yeah, tikka masala.
For you, it is spicy, right?
Yeah, I don't like this one. Too
Kadai
spicy.
paneer.
Out of 10, how much we will give?
9.5.